Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming today. So we're gonna be looking at different assets. Moyo Matadi, how are you, Moyo Matadi? Good man, Gmail. Thank you for joining us. Thank you guys for being with us. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you like our live stream. Make sure you like our live stream. Mercy Tempo, good morning. Good morning, DC. How are you, Mercy? How are you, Mercy?
I'm fine.
Where are you, Mercy?
I'm here.
Oh, yeah, here. I thought you were on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube, yes.
Oh, you're also on
and I'm also here.
All right. Hey. Oh, I was wondering, who is this Mercy? So, let's quickly look at, let's first of all start with gold. We're going to start with gold. So what I want to do is this. Can you please share the link for the live in our groups?
Okay.
So we're going to start with gold. So I saw this setup and we got into a buy. But it was a little bit frustrating. Why? Because there was a time we got an entry and we're in a little bit of a drawdown. And price almost hit our stop loss. And now we're now enjoying the profit. So we are targeting this high. We're targeting this high. That's our target. So we have a buy in gold. So basically that was the setup. That was the setup, and gold is buying. So I think that's our first signal that we have. So what I'm gonna do is this. We're also going to start looking at what? Booming crash. We will look at booming crash, and we have good setup in boom 1000, and those who are in my VIP community, you're able to get this amazing setup that we had in boom. So this is crash 1000. We're able to take this sell and it worked perfectly. So what I think is now happening is this. There is a possibility, because it seems like price is just consolidating on this particular area here. Crash is likely going to continue moving upwards. Okay, let's start with boom 1000. Okay, so we also had a buy in boom 1000. This was amazing, and it was yesterday we got this amazing buy here. This was nice, and I think that because of this order block that we have here, or this supply zone, price has managed to hit the supply zone. So what is currently happening is this: price is likely going to continue moving down. Why? Because if you see here, what took place with this high, and price failed to push upwards and create a new higher high, it means that it's respecting this order block. Okay, you guys can see it. It means that price is respecting this supply zone, and it's likely going to continue moving down. So do we have a confirmation of this movement? Boom is just spiked. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. So we had an inverse head and shoulder, more like an inverse head and shoulder. Let me show you what I'm seeing here, which is confirming that price is respecting the what, our supply zone. Price is respecting that supply zone. So let me just do this. Let me show you what I'm seeing here, guys. Inverse. So we then this one is not an inverse. It's just a head and shoulder. So with the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and price has managed to break this head and shoulder pattern. So we might get a signal here. We might get a signal here. So what is likely going to happen is this. Let me just remove this for the meantime. Let me hide it. We have a head and shoulder, and on our left we have a, I think it's very clear on the 30-minute time frame, or 1 hour. It's very clear. On the 1 hour we have this supply zone. You see it, the one on the right, on the left side. I used to think that only women do not know which one is right, which one is left. But it seems like it's every man's what? Weakness. Is it a weakness? Okay, so we have this supply zone. We have this supply zone here. Okay, so price is likely going to reverse downwards. We have a head and shoulder. You can't see it nicely here on this time frame. Let's make it a little bit wider. So we also had a neckline, and this was our neckline. But if you extend this, you can also see that there was a time when price also reacted with this particular area here, where we have this bullish pin bar. But our focus is on here. Let me drop down to 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, what do we see? It's very clear. The head and shoulder is very, very clear. Okay. So we have our neckline here. So this is all confirming that boom 1000 is going to sell. So we have our neckline here. And the reaction from what? From our supply zone. This just confirms that price is going to move down. So when you're trading using the head and shoulder, you wait for a breakout and okay. let's see what is taking place here. So this is what we have, and we have seen a candle closing below this neckline, and there's a likelihood that price is going to move down. So according to the head and shoulder pattern, you should place your stop loss just above the left right shoulder here, which is very, very big, and we need a 1:2. Maybe we might get a 1:2 from there. We have a candle that closed below this neckline on the 30-minute time frame. Yes, we have. Let's just wait here. Let's just wait and see what is going to take place. But I will take a sell once this low is taken out here. So I'm gonna put my entry on that particular area. Then my stop loss. So ideally we should place our stop loss just above here, and our target profit is gonna be here. So we end up having a 1:6, which is not good. Which is not good. And if you look at the risk, is too much. If you look at the risk, is too much. So what should we do here? Let me go now. You should at least get a 1:2. 1:2. So I will take my trade like this. So guys, if you're watching us on TikTok, if you go on my bio, you have links to our Telegram group, our WhatsApp group, and our website. We have a website where we sell different trading tools for all financial assets. So our website is www.dcfxtrading.com. That's our website. So this is our website. You can get trading strategies. Let me just move this a little bit. So you can get indicators. There are so many indicators, and in 2026 we have our new indicator, which is called the EUPORIA. The EUPORIA is an indicator that you can use to trade any financial asset. It's the 2026 our 2026 indicator, which is this one. This one. That's our EUPORIA. Then we also have the Kronos, the Kerdoskopos, the Kalyteros, the Tragos. All these indicators are also there. So those who have been following me for a while, you know how amazing these indicators are. So if you trade booming crash, we have this new indicator, and also if you trade gold, Forex, NAS 100, we have this amazing indicator which is called the EUPORIA. Let me show you a little bit about this indicator, then we can proceed. So this is the indicator that I'm talking about. There's light reflecting from. Okay, so this one gives you an entry. It combines trend and momentum. It's a trend and momentum indicator. So it's a trend following. So it gives you an entry and it also gives you an exit. So it gives you an entry and it gives you an exit. And it also gives you the trend. If it's bullish or bearish, it will give you the direction of the market. It's called the EUPORIA. Then, well, these were different various signals. So this was a signal in gold. So it can work in gold. It can also work in, so this was a trade in gold again. It can also work in booming crash. You're in 1 minute time frame. So the specific time frame that you can use this indicator is, you can use it on 5 minute time frame. Then you can also use it on 1 minute and 15 minute time frame. So it's called the EUPORIA. It can work in scalping. You can see here that signal, it was scalping in booming crash. It can also catch spikes. You see, you get an entry around this area, then your exit signal will be here. So this is the amazing EUPORIA indicator. So it can also buy in crash, it can also sell in crash. So it does both. So if you trade spikes, you can use this. If you are a scalper, you can also use this. So this is not the kind of indicator that you use when you get 10 candles. This allows you to get even more. You see, this was only 5-minute time frame. This was only 5-minute time frame. It is calling. Can you answer on the phone? Let's see the different signals. We can see this is also gold. It can work in all different in all financial assets. So let's quickly go back. All right. Okay, let's quickly go back to our analysis. So here we're just waiting to see what is taking place. Hey, I've been trying to find time to release the new strategy. I think we have about 2 strategies and I'm failing to find time. You know, some of the things that that gives you strength to keep on making these strategies and introducing new concepts in trading is the fact that people will be supporting you. So probably if I find time today, I'm gonna release our strategy for our new strategy for 2026. We have a lot. Okay, so just make sure you like that video and you also share it. So this gives me strength to come back and do the same thing. Okay, so let's wait for a signal here. We have seen prices broken and it has already made a retest. So let's just confirm this signal. If we have a candle that closes below this particular area, 16,578, then we can get an entry there. So let's go to Boom 900. So what is taking place in Boom 900? Okay, so we saw that price has been respecting this support. We had a support level here, and we also had a fake out. So we have a support here, support level. So this was our support. So here, I believe this was a fake out. When price closed below here, this was a fake out, and from there, price is now pushing upwards. So what I'm thinking here is this. Price is to push upwards. Price is to continue moving upwards and reach this particular level here. So trading this, I think this was just a fake out. Price is to continue moving upwards and reach this particular level here. So we also need to pay attention to this particular level here, which is this level. So looking at this is a flip zone. Looking at this is a flip zone. Let me use this one. So what prices managed to do is this. This was used as a support. Price came back, was able to break it, used it as a resistance. Then price dropped. Then now you see price has been able to to penetrate above this level. So what I'm thinking is this will now be used as a support, and then price might target this level. So to be safe, I know there's a possibility that price can reach this level, but our target is going to be here. So what we'll do is this: we're going to buy this asset, and we'll maintain a 1:2. You see, it's already moving up. Man, there's a signal. So we're going to go long here. Boom 900. And our target is going to be here. Stop loss just below this level here.
Let me check it. Buy boom 900 now.
Yeah.
Buy boom 900 now. Stop loss.
Our stop loss is 98.84. It's not 98, 94. It's 98.84.
98.84.
TP. Our TP is 10.059.
10.059.
So open one position. We'll hold this one because it's moving now.
Should I check it?
Yes, please. So we have a buy here. I think we're gonna be safe if price closes above this level here. We know that price is now ready to move upward. So what we can do is this: we can buy this asset. We can buy boom 900. We have a signal in boom 900. Let's buy boom 900. Our stop loss just below this level. Okay, can you use 98? You already said 98. 98 what? 80 was the best.
For stop loss? I put 98.84 for this platform.
A little bit. 98 what?
84.
And this one is safe.
The one with 8.
Did you send any signal in the Telegram?
This one. This one I shared in Outlook. So what should I do?
If you could adjust.
Stop loss 98.80.
80. Okay, let's see how this plays out. I don't think it makes sense to just shuffle and analyze many trades. I'd rather look at one trade and see how that trade goes. Mike, thank you so much for joining us. Evidence, thank you for joining us. Brandon, thank you for being part of this live stream. Guys, let's share this live. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. If you're watching us on TikTok, let's take this time to tap on the screen. We want to reach at least 10,000 what likes. No, take this one. Maureen, thank you for joining us. Kadovic, thank you for liking our live. Thank you for liking our live. Thank you so much, guys. Kadovic, thank you so much. Thank you for liking our live. Yes, I can see the likes are now going up. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Let's keep the love going up. So, you have a signal. Thank you, Kadovic, for sending love, for liking our live stream. If we reach 1,000, I'm gonna select the one who will be sending a lot of likes. I'm gonna give him an indicator. I'm gonna give you an indicator from our website. I'll give you a spike detector. So whoever is going to give us the most likes is gonna get a spike detector if we reach 1,000 likes. So let's like this live. And if you're watching us on TikTok, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe to our channel. Send me a screenshot. Maybe I'm also going to select one person from YouTube. Then for those who will be sending us gifts, we're also going to select one person to get the new EUPORIA, the new indicator that gives entry and exit signals in all financial assets. It trades everything. It trades everything. So let's see how this signal will go. So my WhatsApp number is there in the bio. If you're watching us on TikTok, if you're watching us on YouTube, you go in the description, you get yes, think like this it looks. Some talk live stream. Summers. We are reaching 730. I think Kerdoskopos is the winner. He's sending a lot of likes. So what we're gonna do is this. Kerdoskopos, can you quickly send me your email on my WhatsApp number like now, or you can contact me on what? On Telegram. I wanna give you a spike detector like now. Because you're sending a lot of likes. You're also free to send us gifts if you're watching us on TikTok. So Kerdoskopos, I think he has been sending us a lot of like. He's promoting us. So we're also going to promote you by giving you a spike detector for Boom 900 for free. You know the spike detector is how much? It's $50 US. So it's like I'm giving you $50 US. Jamie, thank you so much for sending. Jamie, thank you for liking this live and for also sending us a gift. Thank you so much for those who are sending gifts. Thank you guys. Thank you. We really appreciate. You have a spike signal. Crash 900, boom 900. What is it? They are which guys thing? No. Let's play some music as we wait for this to play out.
You want me to just
Yeah. Oh, let's add another position. So you can still buy Boom 900. If you're just watching us now, buy Boom 900. Our spike detector is telling us that now we can also.
You want to make that thing?
Yeah.
That thing will fall.
I'm trying to look for a good angle. So we have a spike signal. So we want to hold this until it reaches our target. But it has to, first of all, break above 99.41. Then if it closes above that one, will be okay. Then the next target will be this one, which is 99.65. Let me play some music for some time, guys. Let me play music. So guys, go to our bio and like this. Go to our bio so that you can get in touch with me if you're interested in our spike detector, if you're interested in different assets. So let's do this. Karuvi, you send me a message. What are you saying? Yes, I'm gonna give him a free spike detector. Huh? We also have a buy in gold. We're also in a buy in gold. We have a buy in gold. Okay. We're looking at boom 900. Huh? Okay, dog, I'm good.
I'm working.
You're working. Okay, so we also have a signal in our spike detector. Hey, how do you make this thing to be straight? How do you make it straight? And I want to demonstrate how our boom 900 spiked EA. So this one catches spikes automatically. We want to see how this one also works. And we are supporting our analysis using this spike detector. Let's see how this goes. Let's play some music. Sound better on. It's on. It's on. When this one do by TikTok. Available. No. That's not bad, no problem.
Over the volume on the top. So Kadovic, you've managed. I see your message. Let me send you a spike detector. So I'm gonna give you a boom 900 spike detector. Boom and crash. Boom 900. Where is the file with all the information? Boom 900. This one. So it's a zip folder. You need something that can open a zip folder. So inside there, you'll find the spike detector, the blue background, and all the instruction on how to set it up. So, like what I promised, I've delivered. So thank you so much, Kadovic, for supporting us. Check your Telegram group. Your Telegram. I've sent you the file to set up your chart. Why is it taking time? It must spike faster. Spike. So it also, with the EA, so this one is a trading robot. It's a trading robot. This one. That's the Boom 900 Spike EA. So this one, you don't do anything, it will trade for you. So these products are also available on our website. If you visit our website, these products are also there. You go under indicators. You'll be able to find this. Where is it? Let's look for it. That's good boy. It's a good boy, SRATEGY. So for scrolling, I've seen a lot of people struggling. You just use the side arrows. So for Boom 900, this is the spike detector. That's our spike detector here. Then we also have a spike EA. So we also have trading robots apart from the indicators. So these products can also work on World Trade indices. The indices on World Trade, the pain and gain. You can also use this indicators. So here we have different spike EAs and different EAs to trade. So these are the spike detectors for booming crash. Then we have our VIX75 alpha EA. So I consider, when it comes to my creation, I think in terms of accuracy, one of the most accurate indicators or EAs that I've created is the alpha. The alpha is very, very accurate. The alpha EA, and also our recent creation, the EUPORIA, it's also very, very accurate. But we've even managed to create the EA for the EUPORIA. We're still waiting on that. Then also have the gold Panther EA in the VIX75 Panther EA. We have so many EAs to trade different financial assets. So if you're interested in EAs, you want me to create you have a strategy, and you want me to create an EA for you, we can also do that. It's taking time. Why? Test to spike. Okay, let's just wait. Let's play some music and wait.
Before the event, not after the event.
Apple.
A for apple. This one is what? Kadovic is saying B900 received. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Let's visit our website, guys. Let's visit our website. If you're watching us on TikTok, you want to say something? What do you want to? But you're making noise. I can't even say what I want. What is this? Okay, boom 900, I think we're going to be able to catch a spike on this level again. Boom 1000, sorry. Oh, okay, like what I promised, we're going to get a sell here. We're in a sell. Boom 900, boom 1000. We're now in a sell, same dollar signal. iphelile. Okay, someone is asking, good morning. So G is asking, good morning. Morning, are the signals based on purely on price action, or do you also use the system or indicators? Yeah, it's a combination of both. We first of all started with price action, and we saw that price had broken in what a very key zone, and now it's likely going to move up. So there is a little bit of price action. Then we are also using an indicator. This is our spike detector, and there is also a spike, a trading robot, which is a spike, our spike AA. It's also taking trades from this. So there is price action, but we are also trying to demonstrate how our indicators work. We are also trying to demonstrate how effective is our trading robots and our indicators. So we first of all started with price action, then we then move to an indicator. So it's a combination. It's a combination of price action. Yeah, he's saying thank you. You're welcome. Outside. Huh? What is that? Huh? Ah, my Mazuruse. Thank you for joining us. Send them a like. How do you say? I'm waiting for it. Hey. Messi, Messi. Booty boy, Messi. Osco nigga. No phone. Don't fit up in the microwave. Messi auya. Esse Messi. Oi, poere Messi. So what can you say about this analysis? So let's start with what? With do you think I'm going to get a spike in Boom 900? Why? We're still waiting for a spike in Boom 900. Don't play with the glasses, young.
Yeah, we are going to get a spike in.
Why?
If you don't get it now, then get it at 99.04.
99.04.
If not now.
99.04. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So if you don't get a spike now, we'll get it at 99.04. So this is an analysis by one of our experts, Miss Tembo. Yeah? An expert. This one is a spike catcher. He specializes in catching spikes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Messi, we will rely on your expert advice. So yes, Messi is saying at 99.04. If we don't get it now, we'll get it at 99.04. So Messi, which asset do you enjoy trading? Which asset do you trade?
Boom 600.
Boom 600. Why Boom 600?
I understand it. I understand the algorithm.
Have you ever noticed something when it comes to these algorithms, these indices? Do you know that you can come up with a strategy by just looking at the algorithm? You don't need much to understand what is taking place or to trade it. It's very easy.
Yeah.
You can easily come up with your own strategy.
Yeah, it's true.
Like yours, you have some weird strategies that you use to catch spikes.
They're very weird, but they work.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can't really find a name.
And I can't
explain
it.
So it's very easy when it comes to trading booming crash and these indices. You can come up with it. You can easily come up with your strategy by just looking at the algorithms.
That's true.
So can you share one of your what? Your strategies, your weird strategies. They are very weird.
Not now.
Or not now?
Yeah.
Oh, it's fine.
Not now. I'll share some other time.
Okay.
Let's keep on waiting. So you said boom 600 is your favorite asset to trade. So are you a spike or a scalping trader?
I'm a spike catcher.
You're a spike catcher. Why do you enjoy catching spikes?
I can manage the risk. I'm the one in charge when it comes to risk management in spike trading.
What about in spike trading?
Yeah.
So there's no risk management.
It's helping when if the spike comes, it will just take whatever that is there. Can't go through.
Okay. Since it's coming from an expert, we have to listen.
Yeah.
So in terms of these different assets that we have on Deriv, the booming crash, focusing on booming crash, which one do you think it's wiser to trade when you have a small account?
Even a small account. Boom 600, crash 1000.
Crash 500.
500, crash 500.
So basically you're saying, but there's a difference when it comes to boom 1000.
Yeah, boom 1000.
It's different.
Yeah, when it spikes, yes, you get more. But if it doesn't spike, you get trapped.
Okay.
Then crash 900, crash 600, crash 300. Those ones are volatile.
Like today, crash 300 destroyed you.
Yeah, those ones are volatile.
It happens.
You have to be sure.
I think it's all about the equity. If you have enough equity, you can hold and trade those assets.
Yeah, but if the account is small, don't play around.
You quickly blow your account.
Yeah.
Okay. So what advice can you give to other traders who trade using spikes, who are spike traders? What advice can you give to traders who trade using catching spikes?
My advice, just a general advice, whatever that you are doing in trading, if you want to get consistent profits, you have to apply risk management. That's the best advice. Whatever that you'll be doing, there has to be risk management.
But I've noticed one thing. If you are growing probably a small account, do you think it makes sense to apply risk management to a $50 or a $20 account?
Yeah, it makes sense so that you don't blow it once.
But you're not going to make money. The moment I think that when it comes to risk management, those who've been talking about risk management, I don't think the brokers like risk management. Because every time if you go full margin and you're catching spikes, I think in a day from $10 you can reach 1,000.
Yeah, but it's not always certain.
Yeah, but that's the whole thing.
Imagine you have a $10 account. Maybe you're trading crash 1000, put lot size 1. Then the spike doesn't come. How long can you hold? You can't hold that trade even for an hour.
It's like this. You can slowly lose your money, or you can risk it, or then get a lot of money. Or you want to slowly, maybe it will take you probably 1 week.
If you are starting, you would rather apply risk management. Maybe when you are a seasoned trader, that's when you can go full margin. And you are not just going full margin, you are going full margin after proper analysis. You see, that way, it can work.
Have you ever lost when you do?
Because
you can also lose.
But
after doing proper analysis and everything aligns up with whatever that you know. Then you can lose confidently. Have you ever lost confidently?
Yeah, it happens.
It happens.
Because the brokers can manipulate.
I don't lie about manipulation. These are algorithms. Even in Forex, these things are there.
Because the analysis will be proper.
Just like here. I don't know. I was wondering. Okay, let me give you an example. We're trading gold. The moment that we entered that trade, gold started to move down. But I was just, you see, we ended here. You see here, and gold started to just move down from our entry. So can we call this manipulation, or there's probably something that I missed? Because when it comes to trading, you can't see everything. You can't know everything.
Sometimes have you ever noticed that sometimes you do your analysis and it looks perfect. Then in the process when you are losing, when you revisit the market again,
you find the mistake that you've made.
Yeah, you find the mistake, then you'll be like, I didn't see this thing, and you'll be already in loss.
But you know, that scenario is normally caused when you have too much content that are conflicting.
Yeah, that's the problem with the information.
Because I'd rather lose confidently using one particular strategy. So I think one mistake that most traders normally do is this. They normally listen to a lot of content, which opposes different trading concepts.
Yeah, that's true. Because when you end up
so if you're someone who uses indicators, just stick to that indicator.
Stick to that.
If you're someone who uses price action, stick to that.
Stick to that.
If you're using smart money, stick to that.
Stick to that. Yeah.
If you're using what else?
What?
What else is there? There's smart money indicators in what? Price action in what? In price action again, you can also be confused because there's people who trade patterns. They only trade patterns, chart patterns.
Yeah.
And there are some who trade support and
resistance. Yeah. Some only stick to the trend line only.
You see?
Yeah, so whatever that you use, as long as it is working for you.
So my advice is this. Pick one strategy, master it.
Yeah.
Then you'll be fine, you'll start making money. Because the moment that you start consuming a lot of things, you end up being confused.
Yeah, you end up being confused. Someone is asking, do you guys set daily targets?
For what?
I don't know. Just
targets for what?
It's just like that. Do you guys set daily targets? That's cool.
Or maybe he's asking maybe profit targets.
Maybe.
Yeah. But sometimes you can see that, okay, with the way things are happening, I can't reach my target. Then if you keep on pushing, that's when you end up losing. Today we had a bad day. You know, Crash 300, killed us. It really killed us. Hello. 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 Still moving up.
Yeah.
This one is a little devil. Hello. 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 What's wrong? Guys, I think for today we are done. I don't want to spend a lot of time here, but
it's 11:50. We're supposed to end by
half past. You're enjoying.
Yeah, so much time.
Like what we talked about in Boom 1000. You see all this that we have on the left here. It's a gap that needs to be filled. So price will still continue going down. So just a tip, if you're going to start looking for spikes here, you're gonna lose your money because of what is taking place here. Price is to cover this imbalance here before it can start moving up. Okay guys, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much, Messi, for your expert advice. You're just smiling.
You're welcome, DC.
Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Ndokubvisa sei pana kana wapinda tona miri tona 3 followers